Hello, my lovely kids. Today we are doing Math Skills Class 4 by G. Ram Books. So today we are starting Chapter 7, Measurements. So let's start Learning Outcomes. हम इसमें क्या क्या लर्न करने वाले हैं? Measurement, units of length, units of weight, units of capacity, then addition and subtraction of the units of measurement, multiplication of the units of measurement, and division of the units of measurement. Now, boot up. Lalit measures the thickness of his book with a scale. The thickness of his book is 2.5 centimeter. The distance between Lalit's house and Anil's house is 2 kilometers. So why are the thickness in centimeter and distance between two houses in kilometers are measured? अभी हम इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे इस चैप्टर में. Now choose the option that shows the appropriate measure. Like A part, weight of a book. अब weight of a book ग्राम में होगा या kg में होगा? You know, it's a small thing, so its weight is in gram, 400 gram. Okay, 400 kg is a very heavy thing, right? Now B part, capacity of a spoon. एक spoon में quantity कम आएगी या ज़्यादा आएगी? Of course कम आएगी. So it is 5 milliliter or 5 liter. ml is less than liter. So this is 5 ml. Okay. Now C part, length of a pen. अब एक पेन आपने देखा हुआ है. It's not very long. So it is in centimeter. It is 10 meter or 10 centimeter. It should be in centimeter because centimeter जो है वो मीटर से छोटा यूनिट है. Right? Now length of a thread. एक thread हमें given है तो उसकी length हम किस में measure करेंगे? 3 centimeter or 3 meter. It's a small one. So this is 3 centimeter. Right? Okay? Any problem? I hope this is clear to you. Now we are talking about measurement. To measure something like a length, mass और capacity, अगर हमें length को measure करना है या mass को measure करना है या कोई capacity measure करनी है, then we compare it with a fixed measure of the same thing. हम एक same thing से compare करेंगे and that fixed measure is called a unit. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Unit. Let's learn about it. See, units of length. पहले हम बात करेंगे लेंथ के यूनिट्स के बारे में. लेंथ ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट टेल्स अस हाउ लॉन्ग एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज. लेंथ से हमें पता चलता है एक ऑब्जेक्ट कितनी लॉन्ग है. सो लेंथ इज मेजर्ड इन मीटर. लेंथ को हम मेजर करते हैं मीटर में. वी ऑल्सो मेजर डिस्टेंस इन किलोमीटर्स एंड इन अदर हायर यूनिट्स. और हायर यूनिट्स के लिए हम क्या लेते हैं? किलोमीटर, हेक्टोमीटर. अभी हम पढ़ेंगे इसके बारे में. See, let us learn some other units for measuring length. Okay, here unit and here value given. So unit kilometer, km, then hectometer, hm, then decameter, dam, then meter. Okay, then decimeter, small dm, then centimeter, cm, and then millimeter, mm. Right? Now, what is the value of these units? So, meter is the standard unit. So, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. And 1 hectometer equals to 100 meter. And 1 decameter equals to 10 meter. Okay? Now, you can see डेसीमीटर. डेसीमीटर जो है वो मीटर से स्मॉलर है. सो इट इज 1/10 मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर 1/100 मीटर एंड मिलीमीटर 1/1000 मीटर. ओके. नाउ द हायर यूनिट्स ऑफ लेंथ आर. These are what? These are the higher units. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, these are the higher units, and the smaller units are millimeter, centimeter and decimeter. Now see, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Then 1 hectometer, as I told you, it's equal to 100 meters. And then 1 decameter equals to 10 meters. Now we are talking about smaller units. 10 millimeter equals to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter equals to 1 decimeter. And 10 decimeter equals to 1 meter. Okay. So, here we can write 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter, 100 centimeter and 1000 millimeter. तो हमें ये जो टेबल है we have to keep in our mind. Okay. This is very, very, very important. Now, we are talking about this conversion. Converting higher units of length to lower units and vice versa. अब हम conversion कैसे करेंगे? To convert higher units to lower units. अगर हमें higher से lower में जाना है, then we multiply the higher unit by 10 for each step. See, here kilometer and hectometer means 1 kilometer equals to 10 hectometer. Then 1 hectometer equals to into 10 decameter. Then 1 decameter equals to 10 meter. Okay. Then 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. Then 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeter. And 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. हम क्या करते जा रहे हैं? Multiply by 10. Okay. After each step. Right. Now, to convert lower units to higher units, अगर हमें lower से higher में जाना है, then what to do? We divide the lower unit by 10. हम क्या करेंगे? Division करेंगे. See, over here, millimeter से centimeter में जाएंगे, divide by 10. Centimeter to decimeter, divide by 10. Decimeter to meter, divide by 10. Meter to decameter, divide by 10. Then decameter to hectometer, divide by 10. And then hectometer to kilometer, divide by 10. Okay. So I hope these are clear to you. अब हम कुछ examples करेंगे. It would be more clear. See, let us learn through examples. Let us attempt. Example 1. Convert 17 kilometer into meter. अब आप देखो किलोमीटर इज बिगर देन मीटर. हमें किलोमीटर से मीटर में जाना है. वी नो वेरी वेल 1 किलोमीटर इक्वल्स टू 1000 मीटर. तो हम क्या कर देंगे? 17 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000. सो 17,000 मीटर. ओके. नाउ एग्जांपल 2. Convert 19 centimeter into millimeter. Centimeter is bigger than millimeter and we know 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter according to the table. अब हम क्या करेंगे? 19 centimeter है तो 19 into 10 means 190 millimeter. Okay. Now example 3. Convert 23 kilometer 25 meter into meter. अब हमें इसे कन्वर्ट करना है मीटर में. सो व्हाट टू डू? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 23 किलोमीटर को हम मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे और 25 मीटर को एज इट इज रखेंगे. सो 23 किलोमीटर मीन्स 23 into 1000 मीटर प्लस 25 मीटर एज इट इज. नाउ 23,000 प्लस 25. So that is 23,025 meter. Okay. I hope these are clear to you. Now example 4. Convert 15 meter 75 centimeter into centimeter. So what to do? We are changing meter into centimeter. We know 1 meter में how many centimeter? 1 meter 100 centimeter. So 15 meter में ज़्यादा होंगे 15 into 100. Okay. And 75 centimeter as it is. Now 1500 plus 75, that is 1575 centimeter. Okay. Now see example 5. Convert 28 centimeter 8 millimeter into millimeter. यानी इस मिलीमीटर को हम एज इट इज रहने देंगे, 28 सेंटीमीटर को हम कन्वर्ट कर देंगे मिलीमीटर में. We know very well 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So 28 into 10 यानी 280 millimeter plus 8 millimeter means 288 millimeter. Okay. Now example 6. Convert 12,506 meter into kilometer and meter. अब हम मीटर से जाएंगे किलोमीटर और मीटर में. So you know very well when we convert smaller into larger, then what to do? We have to divide it. So we know very well 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. तो मीटर से हम किलोमीटर में जाएंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड बाय 1000. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इसको चेंज कर देंगे 12,000 प्लस 506 मीटर. ओके. नाउ 12,000 को हम डिवाइड कर देंगे 1000 से, इट बिकम्स 12 किलोमीटर, राइट? एंड 506 मीटर एज इट इज. सो दिस इज द आंसर, 12 kilometer 506 meter. Children, you can do like this also, 12,506 upon 1000. You know very well जब हम 1000 से डिवाइड करते हैं किसी नंबर को, जो लास्ट के 3 डिजिट्स हैं वो बन जाएंगे रिमाइंडर एंड रिमेनिंग बन जाएगा क्वेश्चन. सो हियर यू कैन राइट 12 kilometer 506 meter, right? So like this you also can try. Now the next is example 7. Convert 4,153 centimeter into meter and centimeter. We know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. अब हमें सेंटीमीटर से मीटर और सेंटीमीटर में जाना है तो हम क्या कर देंगे? डिवाइड बाय 100. तो हम डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं, लाइक 4,153 डिवाइड बाय 100. एज आई टोल्ड यू, जब हम 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो लास्ट के 2 डिजिट क्या बन जाएंगे? रिमाइंडर एंड रिमेनिंग इज क्वोशिएंट. तो ये बन जाएगा हमारा मीटर, 41 मीटर एंड 53 सेंटीमीटर. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. और हाउ यू कैन डू इट? वी कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस, 4100 प्लस 53. ब्रेक कर देंगे. नाउ डिवाइडेड बाय 100, इट बिकम्स 41 and this 53 as it is. So 41 meter, 53 centimeter. I hope these are clear to you. So now try exercise 7.1 based on such type of examples. Like question number 1, convert the following into meter. See over here, like C part, 74 kilometer 31 meter. तो 74 किलोमीटर को हम कन्वर्ट कर देंगे मीटर में. Means 74,000 plus 31. So 74,031 meter. Okay. Now second question, convert the following into centimeter. अब हमारे पास मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर गिवन है, हमें सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. Like C part, 23 meter 20 centimeter. So this 20 centimeter as it is, हम चेंज कर देंगे 23 मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में. सो वी नो 1 मीटर 100 सेंटीमीटर. सो 23 मीटर मीन्स 2300 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 20 सेंटीमीटर. सो 2320 centimeter. Okay, remaining parts you can try on your own. Similarly, third question, convert the following into millimeter. अब हमें मिलीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. लाइक सी पार्ट 210 सेंटीमीटर 5 millimeter. We know 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 210 multiply by 10 कर देंगे. So this is 2100 plus 5. So 2105 millimeter. ऐसे आप बाकी पार्ट्स ट्राई करेंगे. आई होप दीज आर क्लियर टू यू. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज फोर्थ वन, कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग. नाउ डिफरेंट पार्ट्स गिवन. नाउ सी डी पार्ट, 7363 centimeter into meter and centimeter. So we know very well 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Now we have to convert centimeter into meter and centimeter, means divide by 100. तो इसको हम divide by 100 कर देंगे. So last के 2 digits ये क्या बन जाएगा? Centimeter. And this is quotient, this is meter. So answer is 73 meter 63 centimeter. So like this you can try remaining parts. Okay, now these two questions you can try on your own, very easy. So I hope these are clear to you. Now we are talking about units of weight. अब हम बात करते हैं weight की. You know very well weight. What do you mean by weight? Mass or weight of an object tells us how heavy an object is. कोई ऑब्जेक्ट कितनी हैवी है, कितनी लाइट है, यानी हम उसके वेट की बात कर रहे हैं. So mass or weight is measured in gram, G. The other units for measuring mass or weight are as follows. So here it is given a chart. Here units given and here value given. So units kilogram, kg, hectogram, hg, decagram, dag, gram, g, decigram, dg, centigram, cg, and milligram, mg. Now value. So 1 kg equals to 1000 gram and 1 hectogram equals to 100 gram. 1 decagram equals to 10 gram. 1 gram, here 1 gram only. 1 decigram equals to 1 by 10 gram. Then 1 centigram equals to 1 by 100 gram. And then 1 milligram equals to 1 by 1000 gram. Okay. So higher units of mass, higher units कौन से हैं हमारे पास? 1 kilogram, that is equal to 1000 gram. 1 hectogram, that is equal to 100 gram. And 1 decagram, that is equals to 10 gram. Okay. Now come to smaller units of mass. 1 decigram, 1 by 10 gram. 1 centigram, 1 by 100 gram. And then 1 milligram equals to 1 by 1000 gram. Okay. तो जैसे हमने लेंथ में किया था, सेम मास में, these are the smaller units and these are the higher units. Okay. So now see next. Also 1 gram equals to 1000 milligram and 1 quintal equals to 100 kg. The standard weights made of iron are, these are the kg weights and these are the gram weights. So this is 5 kg, 2 kg, 1 kg, and this is 500 gram, this is 200 gram, this is 100 gram, and this is 50 gram. Now one challenge is for you. I am not a liter nor a meter but used to measure weight. You will find me neater. In gram I am small but in kilos I am grand used for weighing things across the land. What unit am I? So you know very well, you can find it out. Now converting higher units of mass to lower units and vice versa. अब हम conversion करेंगे higher unit को lower में and lower को higher में. See how to do it. To convert a higher unit of mass to lower unit, what we do? We multiply it by 10 for each step as illustrated here. You can see, अगर हमें kg से hectogram में जाना है तो हम multiply by 10. Then 1 hectogram से 1 decagram multiply by 10. Then decagram to gram multiply by 10. Then gram to decigram multiply by 10. Decigram to centigram multiply by 10. And centigram to milligram multiply by 10. Okay. So अगर हम higher से lower में जाएंगे तो हम multiplication करते हैं. And if we are converting lower to higher, then division. So to convert a lower unit of mass to higher, we divide it by 10. See, milligram से centigram, divide by 10. Centigram to decigram, divide by 10. Decigram to gram, divide by 10. Gram to decagram, divide by 10. Decagram to hectogram, divide by 10. And then hectogram to kilogram, divide by 10. Okay, it's clear to you? Now let us learn through examples. Let us attempt example 1. Convert 3750 gram into kilogram and gram. ग्राम को हमें कन्वर्ट करना है केजी एंड ग्राम में. सो व्हाट टू डू? यू नो वेरी वेल. इसको हम ब्रेक कर देंगे 3000 प्लस 750 ग्राम. And now we have to divide because kilogram is bigger than gram. So divided by 1000 because 1 gram equals to 1 upon 1000 kg. तो इसको हम divide कर देंगे 1000 से. So you will get 3 kg. And this one as it is 750 gram. So answer is 3 kg 750 gram. इसे आप डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. 3750 डिवाइड बाय 1000. लास्ट के 3 डिजिट ये क्या बन जाएगा? रिमाइंडर मीन्स दिस इज ग्राम ओनली एंड दिस इज केजी. 3 kg. ओके, नाउ कम टू एग्जांपल 2. कन्वर्ट 15 kg 200 ग्राम इनटू ग्राम. अब यानी केजी को हमें ग्राम में चेंज करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई. सो 15 kg 200 ग्राम एज इट इज. 15 kg 15 into 1000 gram. ये बन जाएंगे 15,000 ग्राम plus 200 means 15,200 gram. Okay. Now example 3. Convert 31,250 gram into kg and gram. So what to do? Break कर देंगे. 31,000 plus 250 gram. Now divided by 1000. 31,000 को 1000 से करेंगे. So what will you get? 31 kg. And 250 gram as it is. So answer is 31 kg 250 gram. Okay. I hope these are clear to you. So exercise 7.2 based on such type of example. See question number 1. Convert the following into gram. C like C part 12 kg 215 gram. तो kg को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे ग्राम में. ये बन जाएगा 12,000 ग्राम और उसमें ऐड कर देंगे 215. So 12,215 gram is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 2. Change the following into kg and gram. अब हमें kg और ग्राम में चेंज करना है. Like F part 32,500 gram. So we can write it like this. 1000 के फॉर्म में 32,000 plus 500. So divide by 1000. It becomes 32 kg 500 gram. So I hope these are clear to you. You can try remaining parts. Now the third one. Convert each of the following into mg, milligram. So milligram में कैसे change करेंगे? Like C part 5 gram 270 milligram. We know 1 gram में 1000 milligram. So it becomes 5,000 milligram plus 270. So 5,000 plus 270 means 5,270 milligram. I hope these are clear to you. So you can try remaining parts. Very easy, very interesting. Now we are talking about units of capacity. So capacity means what? The term capacity means how much amount of a liquid a container can hold. एक कंटेनर में कितना लिक्विड आ सकता है? That is the capacity of the container, right? So capacity is measured in liter. हम कैसे measure करते हैं? Liter में. The other units of capacity are, now we are talking about other units. Now see the units. Unit kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Okay, and value. So 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter, 1 hectoliter equals to 100 liter, 1 decaliter equals to 10 liter, liter 1 liter only, then 1 deciliter equals to 1 by 10 liter, and 1 centiliter means 1 by 100 liter, and 1 milliliter means 1 upon 1000 liter. So you can see higher units. These are the higher units and these are the smaller units. Okay. Sometimes आप देखते हैं कोल्ड ड्रिंक की बॉटल है, उस पर लिखा होता है 1 लीटर या 2 लीटर, मीन्स उस बॉटल में कितनी क्वांटिटी आ सकती है लिक्विड की, राइट? सो नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस वन. सी 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter and 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Now different standard containers of measuring capacity. So हमारे पास different standard containers हैं. See here 5 liter, ये 5 liter का है, 2 liter, 1 liter, 500 ml, 200 ml and this is 100 ml. Okay. Now factometer. So वॉल्यूम वर्सेस कैपेसिटी. वॉल्यूम और कैपेसिटी में क्या डिफरेंस है? वॉल्यूम इज रेफर टू सॉलिड फिल्ड 3D ऑब्जेक्ट. कैपेसिटी इज रेफर टू होलो 3D ऑब्जेक्ट. वॉल्यूम मीन्स उसमें कंटेनर में ऑलरेडी कितना लिक्विड है, फिल्ड है, तो इट मीन्स दैट इज वॉल्यूम. और कैपेसिटी मीन्स उसमें कितना आ सकता है, एम्प्टी, राइट? सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन volume and capacity. Now converting higher units of capacity to lower units and vice versa. अब हम conversion करेंगे higher to lower and lower to higher. Now to convert a higher unit of capacity to lower unit, we multiply it by 10 for each step as illustrated here. See kiloliter to hectoliter, so multiply by 10. Hectoliter to decaliter, multiply by 10. Then 1 decaliter to liter, multiply by 10. फिर liter to deciliter, multiply by 10. Then deciliter to centiliter, multiply by 10. And centiliter to milliliter, multiply by 10. Okay? It means जब हम higher से lower में जाएंगे तो हमें multiplication करना है. Right? Now to convert a lower unit to higher unit, we divide it by 10. See? Here milliliter to centiliter, divide by 10. Centiliter to deciliter, divide by 10. Deciliter to liter, divide by 10. Then liter to decaliter, divide by 10. Decaliter to hectoliter, divide by 10. And hectoliter to kiloliter, divide by 10. Okay? So I hope these are clear to you. Now let us learn through examples. Let us attempt example 1. Convert 51 liter into milliliter. We know 1 liter में how many milliliter? 1000. So हम क्या कर देंगे? 51 into 1000 यानी 51,000 milliliter. Right? Now example 2. Convert 18 liter 250 milliliter into milliliter. So what to do? इसको हमें कन्वर्ट करना है मिलीलीटर में. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 18 लीटर को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे मिलीलीटर में. सो 18 into 1000 means 18,000 milliliter plus 250. So 18,250 milliliter. Now example 3. Convert 17,650 milliliter into liter and milliliter. अब हम कर रहे हैं smaller to bigger. So what to do? हम इसको divide कर देंगे 17,000 plus 650 milliliter. Now divided by 1000, so it becomes 17 liter and 650 ml as it is. So answer is 17 liter 650 milliliter. और आप इसे direct divide कर सकते हैं 1000 से. As I told you earlier, so last के 3 digit बन जाएंगे remainder means milliliter और जो क्वेश्चन है that is liter. Okay, so I hope these are clear to you. Now we are talking about exercise 7.3 based on such type of examples. See question number 1, filling the blanks. A part, 450 ml equals to 500 ml minus dash ml. 500 में से हम क्या माइनस करें कि 450 आ जाए, मीन्स 500 minus 50. Okay, so B part, 150 ml equals to 200 ml minus dash ml. 200 ml में से हम कितने ml माइनस करें कि 150 मिलीलीटर आ जाए. So that is 50. Okay. Similarly, you can try these remaining parts. Now question number 2. 100 ml measuring container is used to measure the following. Okay. So 100 ml कंटेनर हम यूज कर रहे हैं इन क्वांटिटीज को मेजर करने के लिए. सो स्टेट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वन हैज टू मेजर 100 ml container to measure the given quantities completely. See, like A part, 200 ml of oil. हमें 200 ml of oil चाहिए और हम 100 ml का कंटेनर यूज कर रहे हैं, तो हम उसे कितनी बार यूज करेंगे? मीन्स 2 times. 200 means 100 plus 100. Okay, so we are using 2 times. A part. ऐसी B part है 1 liter of milk. 1 liter of milk means 1000 milliliter. Okay, और हम कंटेनर यूज कर रहे हैं 100 ml का. So how many times we will use it? Means 10 times. Right? Okay, थोड़ा सा आपने इसमें ब्रेन यूज करना है अपना. Like C part, 500 ml of oil. अब 500 ml of oil है और हम 100 ml का कंटेनर यूज कर रहे हैं, तो कितनी बार यूज करेंगे? That is 5 times. Right? ऐसे ही 2 liter of water है D part. 2 liter of water means 2000 ml. So 100 ml का हम यूज कर रहे हैं कंटेनर, it means 20 times. So very interesting, very different question. Now the third one, change the following in milliliter. अब हमें क्या करना है? मिलीलीटर में चेंज करना है. Like see F part, 65 liter, 475 milliliter. हम क्या करेंगे? लीटर को कन्वर्ट कर देंगे मिलीलीटर में. We know 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So it becomes 65,000 milliliter और इसमें ऐड कर देंगे 475. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the fourth question, change the following in liter and milliliter. See, like H part, 35,446 milliliter. हम क्या करेंगे? Divide by 1000. Okay, so this last 3 digit ये बन जाएगा milliliter and remaining is liter. So answer is 35 liter 446 milliliter. Okay, I hope these are clear to you. Now we are talking about addition and subtraction of the units of measurement. Addition and subtraction of the units of measurement can be carried out just like the addition and subtraction of ordinary numbers. जैसे हम सिंपल एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं सिंपल नंबर्स की, ऐसे हम मेजरमेंट में करेंगे. So just write the quantities having same units in one column and add or subtract. हमें कॉलम्स में अरेंज करना है सेम यूनिट्स को और फिर एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन जो भी हमें करना है we can do it. Okay, so regroup whenever needed. Now let us learn 3 examples. Let us attempt example 1. Add 45 kilometer 233 meter, 24 kilometer 25 meter, 33 kilometer 504 meter. अब हमारे पास 3 टर्म्स हैं, तीनों को हमें ऐड करना है. So first of all, arrange in kilometer and meter. 45 kilometer 233 meter. Next number 24 kilometer 25 meter. Now write this number very carefully. ये 25 है, तो आप कैसे लिखेंगे? 025. Okay, then 33 kilometer 504 meter. Now write it like this. Now add these three numbers. You know very well how to add. Start from ones digit. हम सबको add कर देंगे. We are getting 102 kilometer 762 meter. So very easy, very simple. Okay. Now example 2. Subtract 235 kg 50 gram from 300 kg 175 gram. You know 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So gram को भी हमें 3 digits में लिखना है. See, subtract 235 kg 50 gram. तो इसे आप कैसे लिखेंगे? 050 because 100 digit is missing over here. So 050. Okay. So first of all, write this number 300 and 175 gram. Make two columns kg and gram. Write the first number. Then this number 235 and 050. अब दोनों को minus कर देंगे. You know very well how to subtract it. So answer is 65 kg 125 gram. Okay. Now come to example 3. Add 322 liter 273 milliliter. The second number is 489 liter 92 milliliter. अब ये 92 ml है. So how you will write it? 092. Okay. Then 32 liter 204 milliliter. Now make two columns, liter and milliliter. Then write the number very carefully. Now add these. So answer is 843 liter 569 milliliter. Simply जैसे हम add करते हैं numbers को, वैसे हमें addition करनी है. Okay. Now exercise 7.4 is based on such type of examples like question number 1. Add the following. इसमें addition है like C part 13 kg 850 gram. तो हम kg और gram के columns बना लेंगे. 13 kg 850 gram. Then 29 kg 200 gram. Okay. Then 34 kg 750 gram. Now add these three quantities. We can add it. We will get the answer. Okay. Now similarly second question, find the sum. ऐसे हम second question try करेंगे. Then the third one, subtract the following. अब हमें subtraction करना है. Like C part 28 kg 200 gram from 41 kg 150 gram. So we have to make columns kg and gram. 41 kg 150 gram में से 28 kg 200 gram minus करना है. हम कर देंगे simply जैसे हम subtraction करते हैं. You will get the answer. Right? I hope these are clear to you. Now the fourth one, find the difference of the following measurements. अब हमें difference यानी subtraction करना है. जैसे हमारे पास क्या है? F part है 35 meter 60 centimeter and 13 meter 23 centimeter. तो हम मीटर और सेंटीमीटर के कॉलम्स बनाएंगे. 35 मीटर 60 सेंटीमीटर 13 मीटर 23 सेंटीमीटर माइनस कर देंगे. राइट. सो वेरी इजी. ओके. Now we are talking about multiplication of the units of measurement. अभी हमने addition और subtraction किया है. अब हम करेंगे multiplication. So see, to multiply the length, weight and capacity, we follow the same rules as done for ordinary numbers and write the product in required units. Simply जैसे हम simple numbers में multiplication करते हैं, ऐसे हम इसमें करेंगे और आंसर को हम यूनिट्स के अकॉर्डिंग लिख देंगे. See, let us attempt example 1. Multiply 7 meter 35 centimeter by 4. हम बनाएंगे two columns meter and centimeter. 7 meter 35 centimeter multiply by 4. सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 4 5s are 20, 0, 2 carry, 4 3s are 12, plus 2 14, 1 carry, 4 7s are 28, plus 1 29. So 29 meter, 40 centimeter is the answer. See example 2, multiply 13 kg 150 gram by 7. So kg and gram, 2 columns, 13 kg 150 gram multiply by 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 1s are 7, plus 3 10, 0, 1 carry, 7 3s are 21, plus 1 22, 2 over here and 2 carry. Then 7 1s are 7 plus 2, that is 9. So 92 kg and 50 gram is the answer. Similarly, exercise 7.5 based on such type of examples, like you can try B part, 5 meter 75 centimeter by 6. So meter, centimeter, 5 meter 75 centimeter multiply by 6. Okay, ऐसे हम बाकी क्वेश्चन भी कर लेंगे. Very easy. Division of the units of measurement. To divide the length, weight and capacity, first convert the quantity into smaller units. हम क्या करेंगे? First of all, convert कर देंगे smaller units में, and then we follow the same rules as done for ordinary numbers. So let us attempt example 1. Divide 6 meter 20 centimeter by 4. So what to do? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसे हम कन्वर्ट कर देंगे स्मॉलर यूनिट्स में, मीन्स सेंटीमीटर में. तो 6 मीटर 20 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स 620 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, अब डिवाइड, सिंपली डिवाइड कर दो 4 से. यू नो वेरी वेल हाउ टू डू डिवीजन. हम क्या करेंगे? 4 1s are 4, then minus, then 2, and next digit it becomes 22, then 4 5s are 20, then here minus कर देंगे 2, next digit it becomes 20, 4 5s are 20. So 155 centimeter. अब आप कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर में. हाउ? डिवाइडेड बाय 100. So answer is 1 meter 55 centimeter. Okay. Now example 2. Divide 2 liter 500 milliliter by 5. अब हमें क्या करना है? इसे डिवाइड करना है 5 से. यानी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे मिलीलीटर में. 2 लीटर मीन्स 2000 मिलीलीटर प्लस 500 मिलीलीटर, ये बन जाएगा 2500 मिलीलीटर. डिवाइड कर देंगे 5 से, हमारे पास आएगा 500 मिलीलीटर. ओके, सो आंसर इज 500 milliliter, right? I hope these are clear to you. Now exercise 7.6 based on such type of example. Let's see. Divide the following as per instructions. Like here C part 12 meter 48 centimeter by 12. तो first of all इसे हम convert कर देंगे सेंटीमीटर में. 12 meter means 1200 centimeter plus 48. So 1248 centimeter. Now divided by 12. Okay, so 12 ones are, okay, then 4. 4 is not divisible, then 0, then take next digit. So this is 104 centimeter. अब हम इसे convert कर देंगे मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर में, means divide by 100. So 1 meter 4 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Very easy. Word problems. In real life, we come across such problems that involve the calculation of some metric measures. अब हम real life में भी कुछ problem से deal करते हैं. So let's see how to solve it. So let us attempt example 1. Sumi travels 29 kilometers 60 meter by bus and 44 kilometers 850 meter by car to reach her house. How much distance is covered in total? So total distance, it means first of all write down distance traveled by bus 29 kilometer 60 meter, Then distance traveled by car 44 kilometer 850 meter. Then total distance, इन दोनों को हम कर देंगे ऐड, अरेंज करेंगे कॉलम्स में किलोमीटर एंड मीटर में, write the numbers and then do addition. So answer is 73 kilometer 910 meter. Okay. Now example 2. On a day at a juice shop, 53 liter 750 ml of juice was sold. If the juice seller sold 28 liter more on next day, how much juice was sold on the next day? So first day juice sold 53 liters 750 ml. Next day 28 liter more. More means ज़्यादा. ज़्यादा means addition. So juice sold on next day 53 liters 750 ml plus 28 liter. अब इन दोनों को हम ऐड कर देंगे. So answer is 81 liter 750 milliliter. Okay. So I hope these are clear to you. Now example 3. A tailor had 15 meter of cloth. He used 2 meter 50 centimeter and 2 meter 45 centimeter to make 2 shirts. Total length थी 15 meter. उसमें से 2 shirts बनाई हैं. One is 2 meter 50 centimeter and one is 2 meter 45 centimeter. So how much cloth is left now? So what to do? First of all, हम इन दोनों को add कर देंगे. Okay. So right, total length is 15 meter. Length of cloth used in making 2 shirts. इन दोनों को add कर देंगे. 2 meter 50 centimeter plus 2 meter 45 centimeter means 4 meter 95 centimeter हमने 2 shirts में use की हैं. Now how much is left? So total में से this one minus, so meter centimeter columns, then 15 meter 00 centimeter minus 4 meter 95 centimeter. So what is answer? 10 meter 5 centimeter is left. Okay. These are very simple, very interesting. Now example 4. 2 meter 35 centimeter of cloth is required for making 1 shirt. How much cloth is needed to make 6 such shirts? एक शर्ट को बनाने के लिए हमें इतना क्लोथ चाहिए 2 meter 35 centimeter. तो 6 shirts के लिए we need more, and more means multiply. So we will make the columns meter and centimeter. 2 meter 35 centimeter. So write down length of the cloth required for 1 shirt 2 meter 35 centimeter and length of the cloth required for making 6 shirts. So multiply by 6. So answer is 14 meter 10 centimeter. Okay. Now example 5. Madhu has a 57 meter long string. She cuts it in 4 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece? Okay, हमारे पास क्या है? एक 57 meter long string है, उसे 4 equal pieces में cut करना है. It means 1 piece यानी divide. So length of the string 57 meter यानी 5700 centimeter. So number of equal pieces to be made, that is 4. So length of one piece 5700 divided by 4. So answer is you will get 1425 centimeter यानी 14 meter 25 centimeter length of one piece. Okay. So very easy and very interesting. ऐसे आप बाकी questions try करेंगे. I hope these are clear to you. Now we are talking about exercise 7.7. Based on such type of examples, you can try these one. Like you can see 5th question. Weight of a table is 3 kg 350 gram. What is the weight of 7 such tables? एक टेबल का वेट हमें गिवन है और 7 टेबल्स का वेट ज्यादा होगा, मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So kg and gram column, 3 kg, 350 gram, multiply by 7. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining question. Like here, 8th question, 5 kg, 250 gram of pulses are packed equally in 6 bags. 6 bags में हमने pulses pack की है इतनी total. Okay. So what is the weight of each bag? एक bag का weight कितना होगा? कम होगा, means division. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या कर देंगे? Division. इसको change कर देंगे ग्राम में, यानी 5250 gram divide by 6. Right? So I hope these are clear to you. So now this is the assessment time. Competency based question A part. Multiple choice question. Check the correct option. The first one, 4 meter is equal to, it is given in centimeter. You know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 4 meter equals to 400 centimeter. Now the second one, 700 ml equals to 500 ml plus dash ml, means 200. 500 plus 200, okay. So answer is C part, right? Now come to third question. How many millimeter are there in 15 centimeter? You know 1 centimeter, 10 millimeter. So 15 centimeter means 150 millimeter, A part. Now the fourth one, 15 kg, 204 gram is equal to how many gram? So you know 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 15 kg, 15,000 gram plus 204. So what is the answer? This A part, right? Now the fifth one, 322 meter, 4 centimeter and 42 meter, 36 centimeter. Their sum is equal to what? So add कर देंगे मीटर को मीटर में and centimeter को centimeter में. So 322, 4 centimeter, then 42 meter and 36 centimeter. So what will you get? You will get 364 meter, 40 centimeter, B part, right? Now filling the blanks, B part, the first one, 15 kilometer equals to dash meter, means 15,000 meter, because 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, right? The second question, 75 centimeter, 4 millimeter. So 75 centimeter means we have 750 millimeter plus 4. So that is 754 millimeter. The third one, 152 liter equals to dash milliliter. It means 152 multiplied by 1000. Okay? Because 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Now the fourth question, 47 kg, how many gram? In 1 kg, 1000 gram. So 47 kg, 47,000 gram. Now the fifth one, 4,325 liter equals to dash liter and dash milliliter. So this is 4 liter and 325 milliliter, right? Now the sixth one, 29 meter, 42 centimeter. How many centimeter? You know 1 meter, 100 centimeter. So 29 meter means 2900 plus 42. So 2942 centimeter. Okay. Now here seventh question. 5,372 gram dash kg and dash gram. It means 5 kg and 372 gram. Okay. Now the eighth one, 139 kilometer, 20 meter. How many meter? You know 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 139 into 1000, it becomes this much plus 20. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 1,39,020 meter. Okay, I hope these are clear to you. Now C part, case study. For the sake of uniformity, scientists all over the world have accepted the set of standard units of measurement. The system of units now used is known as the International System of Units, or we can say SI units. The SI unit of length is a meter. Each meter is divided into 100 equal divisions called centimeter, right? And each centimeter has 10 equal divisions called millimeter, mm. So in this way, there are some relation between them. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So you can see here we have measuring tape and different weights, right? Now for measuring large distance, meter is not a convenient unit. We define a larger unit of length. It is called kilometer. Okay, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Larger distance के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Kilometer, right? Now answer these questions on the basis of the above data. The first one, what is the system used for measurement nowadays? So that is SI units, right? The second, arrange the following units in their decreasing order. 1 centimeter, 1 meter, 1 millimeter, 1 kilometer, and then 1 decameter. So you know decreasing order means greatest to smallest. तो सबसे बड़ा क्या है इसमें? 1 kilometer. Okay. Then 1 decameter. Then 1 meter. Then 1 centimeter. And सबसे छोटा है millimeter. Right? So we can arrange it like this. Now the third one, name the SI unit of length, that is meter. Right? Now come to word stock, measurement, conversion, capacity, volume, container, quantity, consume, and instruction, right? So now we are trying one activity based on measurement. Objective, to measure length using a meter rod. Intent or aim, a meter rod, pencil and notebook. So now procedure, the first one, take a meter rod and measure the lengths of the objects given below and write down the lengths in your notebook. The second one, convert all the lengths into centimeter and get your notebook checked by the teacher. हमें क्या करना है? मीटर रोड की हेल्प से जो भी हमें ऑब्जेक्ट्स गिवन है उनकी लेंथ मेजर करनी है और फिर उसे हमें कन्वर्ट करना है सेंटीमीटर में. लाइक ऑब्जेक्ट्स गिवन लेंथ इन मीटर. ओके, सो ब्लैक बोर्ड मेजर करेंगे, वी कैन राइट इट्स लेंथ. टेबल मेजर करेंगे, डोर, क्लासरूम, विंडो एंड डिस्प्ले बोर्ड. दिस इज वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड. So you can try this one with your friends. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.